Hey everyone, today you guys, we are going to make us some buffalo fried shrimp. That's right, this is a buffalo fried shrimp recipe. If you like buffalo sauce and you like shrimp, especially fried shrimp, then this is the recipe for you. So let's go ahead, you guys, let's get into this video. Yeah. Today, you guys, we are going to make some buffalo shrimp. That's right, we're going to make some buffalo shrimp. Okay, so let me show you the ingredients that I have to make some buffalo fried shrimp. Starting from here, I have some Louisiana shrimp fish fry. I added some flour, okay? And I have some black pepper. Okay, you guys, we are going to season this up. And the seasoning that I have over here is this seasoning here, Valatina, okay? If you don't have Valatina, just use some Cajun seasoning. You're going to need to season up your batter, okay? And I did add a teaspoon of salt to the batter as well, okay? So now, here I have, to make my sauce, I have a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, I have a tablespoon of parsley, a teaspoon of paprika. Here we have a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, and we have some black pepper as well. So you're gonna need about a teaspoon of each of these seasonings. And over here we have a cup of hot sauce. We have 2 sticks of butter to equal a cup for our buffalo sauce. You're gonna need some vinegar. You're gonna need some apple cider vinegar. You're gonna need 2 eggs, and you're gonna need about 2 cups of milk. Make sure that it's room temperature, and this is for battering purposes. And we have some shrimp, okay? These are large shrimp, tail-on shrimp. Tail-on shrimps are very helpful when frying shrimp, okay? Because of dipping purposes. You guys will see that. Here we have some regular vegetable oil. You can use canola oil, whatever type of oil you like to fry your shrimp in, but I have vegetable oil here in my deep fryer. And these are the ingredients that we're going to use to make our buffalo fried shrimp. So let's go ahead and let's get started, you guys. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to mix my batter, my flour, and my fish fry batter together, okay, with the seasoning. You just mix that together. Make sure you do put seasoning in this. We're going to move over here to our milk and egg batter, our liquid batter. And we're going to mix that together. We're going to beat the egg. In the milk. We have our milk and our egg mixed together. And let's go ahead and let's start battering our shrimp. Okay? Okay, you guys. So, what you're going to do is you're going to grab your shrimp. Make sure that you cleaned it. It's peeled and deveined. Okay, you guys? The first thing you're going to do is you're going to put it in your dry batter. Okay? Like so. See that? Now we're going to dip it into our milk and egg wash. Like so. And then shake the excess off. And then you're going to go back into your regular batter. Like so. Try to keep your hands as dry as possible. And just use one hand, okay? So that's how the tail helps you. Okay, so you shake that off. And you're going to place it to the side, okay? Shake it off. Then you're going to place it to the side, okay? And we're going to do another one. Let me show you guys another one, okay? Dry mixture, dry batter, fish fry batter with the flour. I'm just going to call it fish fry batter, you guys. You can use cornmeal if you don't have the fish fry batter. Then I'm going to dip it into the egg and milk wash. You don't want it doesn't have to be too thick, because this fish batter is gonna make it crispy enough, you guys. Okay. So now I'm gonna finish battering this up. Okay, you guys, let's get ready to fry our shrimp. Okay, I'm gonna add some shrimp to the basket. I don't want them to stick together, so I'm not going to put too many in here at a time. This basket doesn't hold much, okay? So I'm going to fry a few at a time, and we're going to fry these for about 4 to 5 minutes, okay? Okay, so our first batch of shrimp are done, you guys. See how they cooked up? Okay, and you cook that. That's 4 minutes of cooking. Okay, once the tail turn orange, you know the shrimp is done. Okay, let's go ahead and fry some another batch. Okay, this is our second batch, you guys. See how they turned out? I want you guys to see that. Okay, no longer than 4 minutes, okay? So watch your shrimp very carefully. Fry them at 350 degrees in your deep fry, okay? I'm gonna finish frying up these shrimp. Then I'm gonna come back and make the buffalo sauce, okay? Okay, everyone, as you can see here, all of our shrimp are done. And remember, I fried these shrimps no longer than 4 minutes, okay? You can do 3 minutes, but no longer than 4 minutes. Once the tail turns orange, the shrimp are done. So let's get into this sauce making, okay? So the first thing I am going to do is I am going to get me out a pan to make my sauce in, okay? And I am going to add 1 cup of butter, means 2 sticks of butter. If you can get unsalted butter, I would prefer you to find you some unsalted butter, okay? I'm just using what I have in my fridge today. Okay, we are going to allow this butter to melt down, okay? Okay, now. Okay, everybody, so let's get ready to add our hot sauce. You're gonna need 1 cup of hot sauce or buffalo sauce. It can be Texas pea, it can be Louisiana, whatever type of hot sauce you like. This is Trappy Bull's hot sauce that I have, okay? And we're gonna mix that hot sauce in with that butter, okay? Okay, so now we have that incorporated. I am going to add in just a dab on them of vinegar, like that, just a dab. Just like 2 teaspoons, that's it. Now let's add the seasonings that we talked about earlier. Remember, we have some black pepper, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. Okay, we're gonna add that. Add all of it, okay? And you can use a teaspoon to a half a tablespoon a piece. It's just according to how much of sauce you're trying to make, okay? Now remember we have the sugar, the pinch of salt, some paprika, and some parsley flakes, okay? You can use green onions if you like, okay? Okay, so let's mix all this together, and let's let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes for our buffalo sauce. We are making us some delicious buffalo fried shrimp. Okay, you guys, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I know you're going to enjoy this video. And please feel free to check out any of my other videos, okay? I have over 400 videos here on YouTube. And hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I upload a video, okay? So, I'm going to allow this to cook for 3 minutes, and then we are going to get ready to toss our shrimp in our buffalo sauce. Buffalo fried shrimp. Okay, you guys, so our sauce is done. And let's go ahead and let's pour our sauce on our shrimp. Okay. And just gonna lightly toss it, just like you would some wings. Okay. And this is how you make buffalo fried shrimp. Now we're gonna sit it on a plate, you guys, okay? See that? Y'all see that? Mm-hmm. It's the same wing sauce you would make for chicken wings. And let me plate this. Okay? This is extremely delicious. If you've never had buffalo fried shrimp, you should try it, you guys, okay? It's a very tasty recipe. You will enjoy it. Your family will enjoy it. Your friends will enjoy it, especially if you are a shrimp lover or if you like spicy foods. This is a recipe that you would enjoy. And I hope you guys try this recipe, okay? I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box below, okay? And the times and everything for the shrimp. Doesn't that look delicious, you guys? Yes, it does. Let me finish plating these shrimps. And if you're gonna serve them, just go ahead and hit it with some more parsley or green onions on top. And we are going to serve this with some blue cheese or ranch. I'm gonna serve it with ranch. Okay, you guys. Doesn't that look fantastic, you guys? Thanks for joining Cooking with TK. And come back to my channel for another video. Peace. Have a great day.